Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing that no matter what happens, whether the economy crashes, your job changes, or life throws unexpected expenses your way, your finances are still stable. No panic, no sleepless nights over money, no constant stress about bills, just calm, control, and confidence. Now here's the surprising part. Financial stability doesn't come from making millions. It doesn't come from complicated investment strategies, and it definitely doesn't come from chasing every new side hustle you see online. In fact, most financially stable people follow a handful of very simple rules. Rules so simple that many people ignore them. But these minimalist money rules quietly build wealth, reduce stress, and protect you from financial chaos. In this video, we're going to break down the minimalist money rules that keep people financially stable for life. These are practical, powerful principles you can apply immediately, no matter your income level. And here's the challenge for you while watching. See how many of these rules you already follow, and how many you need to start today. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear system for handling money in a way that almost guarantees financial stability. And if you enjoy videos about money, investing, and financial independence explained in a simple way, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because this channel is all about helping you understand how money really works and how to make it work for you. All right, let's start with the first rule. And honestly, this one alone can completely change your financial life. The first minimalist money rule is simple. Spend less than you earn. It sounds obvious, almost too obvious. Yet millions of people break this rule every single day. Credit cards, loans, buy now, pay later services, and lifestyle pressure make it incredibly easy to spend more than you actually make. The problem is that every time you spend more than you earn, you create financial stress for your future self. Financial stability begins the moment your income consistently exceeds your expenses. Not sometimes, not occasionally, consistently. Even a small gap between what you earn and what you spend creates breathing room. And that breathing room is where savings, investments, and security begin. The second rule is to build a financial buffer before anything else. Many people rush into investing without first building an emergency fund. But the truth is that investments fluctuate. Markets go up and down. Unexpected expenses happen. Financially stable people understand that before you try to grow money, you must protect yourself from financial shocks. A financial buffer, often called an emergency fund, is simply money set aside to handle unexpected problems. Medical bills, car repairs, job loss, home maintenance. Without this buffer, even small emergencies can push people into debt. With it, life's surprises become manageable instead of catastrophic. The third minimalist rule is to avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest traps people fall into is upgrading their lifestyle every time their income increases. A small salary increase turns into a bigger apartment. A promotion turns into a new car. A bonus turns into luxury purchases. Before long, your expenses rise just as fast as your income, and you remain financially fragile. Financially stable people do something different. When their income grows, they increase their savings and investments first. They may improve their lifestyle slightly, but they avoid letting spending expand uncontrollably. This single habit quietly separates people who stay broke from those who become financially secure. The fourth rule is to automate good financial behavior. Relying on willpower rarely works. Life gets busy. Bills pile up. Temptations appear everywhere. That's why automation is so powerful. Instead of deciding every month whether to save or invest, financially stable people set up automatic transfers. Money moves into savings and investments without requiring constant decisions. This removes emotion, procrastination, and excuses from the process. Automation turns good intentions into consistent action. The fifth minimalist money rule is to eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Not all debt is equal. Some debt, like a mortgage, may help build long-term assets, but high-interest consumer debt, especially credit card debt, works against you. Interest compounds in reverse, quietly draining your future income. Every dollar spent on interest is money that could have been saved, invested, or used to improve your life. Financial stability becomes dramatically easier when high-interest debt disappears. The sixth rule is to track where your money actually goes. Many people believe they know their spending habits, but when they finally track their expenses, they are shocked. Small purchases add up quickly. Subscriptions, impulse buys, food delivery, and convenience spending quietly drain hundreds or thousands of dollars each year. Financially stable people treat money like a system. They review their expenses regularly and understand exactly where their income flows. Awareness alone often leads to better decisions. The seventh minimalist rule is to focus on value instead of price. Cheap things are not always good deals. Expensive things are not always wasteful. The key question is value. Financially stable people think carefully about how often something will be used, how long it will last, and whether it genuinely improves their lives. Sometimes spending more upfront saves money long term. Other times, avoiding unnecessary upgrades protects your finances. The goal is thoughtful spending, not just spending less. The eighth rule is to invest consistently, even when the amounts seem small. Many people delay investing because they believe they need large amounts of money to begin. But the real power of investing comes from consistency and time. Small amounts invested regularly can grow dramatically over years and decades. Financial stability comes not from timing the market perfectly, but from participating in the market consistently. The ninth rule is to protect your income. Your ability to earn money is your most valuable financial asset, yet many people focus only on saving and investing while ignoring the importance of protecting and growing their income. This means developing valuable skills, maintaining employability, and staying adaptable in a changing economy. The more secure and flexible your income sources are, the stronger your financial stability becomes. The 10th rule is to avoid financial decisions driven by social pressure. One of the biggest threats to financial stability is comparison. People see friends buying homes, upgrading cars, traveling frequently, or posting luxury experiences online. Social media amplifies this pressure, making it appear as though everyone else is living a wealthier life. But appearances can be misleading. Many people fund those lifestyles with debt. Financially stable individuals understand that their financial journey is personal. They prioritize long-term security over short-term appearances. The 11th minimalist rule is to keep your financial system simple. Complexity often creates confusion and inaction. Dozens of accounts, complicated investment strategies, and constantly changing financial plans can make money management overwhelming. Instead, stability often comes from simple systems, a clear budget, automatic savings, consistent investing, and long-term thinking. The 12th rule is to always have a margin of safety. Financial stability rarely comes from living exactly at the edge of your income. It comes from maintaining distance between your expenses and your earning capacity. This margin gives you flexibility during economic downturns, career changes, and unexpected life events. It allows you to make decisions based on opportunity rather than desperation. The 13th rule is patience. Money growth is rarely dramatic in the short term, but over time, steady habits create powerful results. Many people abandon good financial strategies simply because results take longer than expected. Financial stability rewards those who remain consistent for years, not weeks. The 14th rule is to prioritize long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. This doesn't mean never enjoying life or spending money. It means understanding the trade-offs between present consumption and future security. Every financial decision either strengthens or weakens your long-term position. Financially stable people balance enjoyment today with protection for tomorrow. And finally, the 15th minimalist money rule is to review your financial life regularly. Even simple systems require occasional adjustments. Income changes, goals evolve, expenses shift. A monthly or quarterly financial check-in helps ensure that your habits remain aligned with your long-term objectives. When you step back and look at these rules, something interesting becomes clear. None of them require extraordinary intelligence. None of them require huge incomes. None of them depend on luck. They are simple, repeatable behaviors. But when practiced consistently, these minimalist rules quietly create something incredibly powerful: financial stability, a life where money becomes a tool instead of a constant source of stress. So here's something to think about. If someone followed these rules for the next 10 years, spending less than they earn, avoiding unnecessary debt, investing consistently, and keeping their finances simple, their financial life would likely look completely different from today. And that transformation wouldn't happen overnight. It would happen quietly, gradually, and almost invisibly until one day they realize they are financially stable. If you made it this far in the video, comment the word "stable" below. It tells the algorithm that this video is valuable and helps more people learn these principles. And if you want to continue learning how money, investing, and wealth building really work, subscribe to the channel, because the next videos will dive deeper into the habits and strategies that financially successful people use every day. Because the truth is this: financial stability is not complicated, but it does require discipline, patience, and a commitment to a few simple rules. Rules that, once followed consistently, can completely change your financial future.